Bringa, 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 bringa. Hello, John Pork. Ano na namang kailangan mo? Ang pangit-pangit mo. You're so pangit. Get out. I will decline you. Ok. No. Ako si Chicken Nuggets. Get out. Sabi mo, I will kill you if you're saying pangit to me. I'm gonna say you're principal teacher. No way. Principal teacher, I will go call your principal teacher. Pringa. Hello, who is that? Principal teachers, sweet baby, can you please decline? Sweet baby, kasi sinabi ng poop ako. Okay, sasabihin ko sa kanya. Okay, don't worry. Very good. Sasabihin ko sa kanya. Okay. Thank you. Why? Hello? Hello, Miss Green Cub Principal. Anong kailangan mo? Sweet Phoebe. Bakit mo inanuhan si John Pork? Sabi mo kay John Pork, poop daw siya. Oh, hindi ko naman yun sabi. Sabi ko maganda siya. Bakla ka dyan. Bakla? Ikaw rin, bakla ka. Baba. Okay, hindi ka na mag-school ng 100 days. Okay, yay! Now we're school. Pringa. Oh, short. John Pork. Ano? 100 days ako pwede hindi mag-school. Ha? Bakit? Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, bakla siya. Tama ba yun? Pwede ba rin ako? Sabi ko sa'yo bakla ka eh. Hindi wala. Bye lang. John Pork, can I play my favorite game is the famous. Uy, nakakatakot ka naman. Gusto mo ba maglaro sa labas? Okay, let's go play outside. Yay! I don't like you, birdie. Get out. I am playing with